Hi and welcome to a new AccessOS technical update. I'm Madeleine Jönsson from the AccessOS product management team at Axis Communications. In this video, we'll explore system needs and goals to help you choose the right AccessOS track. Let's start with the first recommendation. And if you are in need of the highest cybersecurity level, then the AccessOS Active Track is the way to go. With this track, you get continuous updates, new security features added, outdated ones removed, and obsolete services phased out. That is something the LTS track simply cannot offer. If you're in need of a specific new feature, the Active Track is also the one to choose. It's the only track where we continue to develop and release new capabilities. For those satisfied with the current feature and cybersecurity level, any of the AccessOS long-term support tracks could be the best choice. For organizations with an extensive and costly verification process for updates, the AccessOS LTS track is the right fit. Updates in the same track usually don't need recertification, since we focus on compatibility and consistency. You can use either the Active Track or the LTS track if your processes include frequent VMS and system updates. While we validate each release with Milestone, Genetec and Axis Camera Station, we still recommend validating the new version in your VMS before upgrading all your devices. When your current processes don't include regular updates for VMS and system components, check with your VMS and ACAP providers to see which version they test and recommend. For optimal compatibility, we recommend using the LTS track. Now to some information about the actual upgrade. As you may know, we introduced an enforced upgrade path in AccessOS 12.6 and LTS 11.11. This ensures that configurations and settings are preserved, which might otherwise be lost during major version upgrades. With the factory default, you can upgrade directly without going through other versions first. We are excited to introduce a new upgrade guidance tool on Axis.com. It's designed to make it easier to plan and follow the right upgrade path, and you will find it on the same page as Axis Server Report Viewer. You can use the link below or find it on the device software download page or in the AccessOS portal, where you can also learn more about upgrade path and recommended tracks. And that was all. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching, and make sure to keep an eye out on our AccessOS playlist for more videos coming soon.